Morning guys, what is up? A very good day to you all. Hope everybody had a fantastic day yesterday. So the market as of now has been moving pretty boring. Obviously we have some very big news announcements, hence why we haven't really seen any major movements as of yet. So looking over here, obviously we've gone for this swing low over here yesterday. No real reaction or liquidity reaction in towards the highs. So we're just kind of stalling, moving sideways until we have news later today. So let's see what happens. Obviously, if we do start pumping up higher, first initial target is just to break this high and then maybe get kind of like a spike back in towards the demand zone, which is then created to look for a further upside. If we sell off, I think we have a very, very clear target of this area of demand to be hit next. One final option with the news that could happen is kind of like take out this low over here and then see kind of liquidation of that and then push up higher. But this obviously is the main high over here that we need to break in order to see further upside. Otherwise, what will just happen if, for example, we respect this area of supply, we will just continue down lower. Also, if we do not react to this overall swing low over here. So that is a dollar index. Now, knowing and understanding that, we can then go in towards euro dollar and see that euro dollar is currently waiting for the news also to pop off. We can see that we're just consolidating and moving sideways, guys. A very, very boring market as of now. Personally, what am I looking for? I want to see at least a spike above this swing high over here. That is what I'm looking for then a potential drop. That is for now my main focus. Yesterday, this demand zone over here, not very substantial or anything, but it held and it caused price to push up higher. Sorry, it's a little bit early still. So looking at the market now, obviously we've now kind of broken above this, let's say, mini trend line. I would like to see kind of like a fake out and then kind of like a push further downwards. Let's say that doesn't happen, then obviously we have a target for the next area of supply where the market should kind of like hold over here at around 1.08, let's say 500 approximately. So no trades until the news really has happened, because otherwise it's just really gambling. Going in towards Aussie dollar, took a loss yesterday over here on Aussie dollar. Was looking to short from this area of supply. Also, obviously, after breaking this structural low, we created supply over here and we saw the lower time frame trend start to shift. So we went into some nice profits. I was around, what was it? Up around 0.8%. But then obviously the market reversed very, very hard on me. So these kind of situations happen. Looking now at the 4-hour time frame, we've now pushed up a little bit higher. Not really liking what I'm seeing here on Aussie dollar. What I'll probably do is I'll just wait and see once we break this high over here, push, let's say, in towards extreme supply. And then from there, I'll be looking to kind of trade the 4-hour momentum back downwards. For example, first of all, in towards this overall sub for the buy over here. So I would like to wait for a push in towards the extreme. And then inside that extreme, see a change of character on the 4-hour and then sell off back downwards in towards here. That for now holds my preference on Aussie dollar. Moving onwards in towards pound dollar. So pound dollar over here, also still ranging, also still waiting for news. It's incredible, guys. Also, again, same as yesterday, just waiting for this high to get taken out. Once that high gets taken out, then I would be happy to look for a short. Otherwise, just stay out and wait until we break, let's say, this overall structural level over here. Okay, moving onwards in towards Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar is in supply. It's pretty much actually the nicest pair, I would say. So from here, I'll be looking to see, can we maybe get like a change of character inside here and then look for that short. Yeah, keep my eyes open for that. Otherwise, we could just continue up higher. Yeah, we could just continue up higher. I mean, if we break this high, supply is not valid anymore. We move deeper. Maybe this is kind of like our last area of resistance, this zone over here. But otherwise, guys, we're just going to be moving up higher in towards that extreme area of supply here at the top. Okay, going onwards in towards our last pair, which is gold. So gold over here is actually also kind of stalling. Overall, supply obviously held. Push price back further in towards the downside. As of now, nothing really interesting here. I am personally focusing on looking what the daily is doing, and if I look at the daily, we can see that the overall order flow is bearish. So what you can see is over here. We broke this low, we pulled back in towards the highs, then we pushed back down again, we broke this low. So now we're just reacting to this overall buy before the sell-off, which caused a fractal break of this low. So yeah, we should continue down for now until we break this overall bullish candles high. If we break that, we could start pushing up higher again. So as simple as that, guys. Let's wait and see what news brings us. Wish you all a fantastic day and speak soon.